Hi guys, I'm going to talk about globalisation, politics and public affairs lecture that we had back in week 4. So I believe globalisation has really changed and evolved public relations over the years, as public relations practitioners have to really be careful about the dissemination of information that they give to different countries. So a PR strategy or a press release that might be issued by an international corporation to Australia would need to be quite different to, say, a press release issued to India, because of those cultural barriers and cultural differences. So we did talk about that a little bit in the culture workshop, but in the globalisation one we spoke about regulation. So we defined that as a type of control which varies, like the power struggle and competition between entities to maintain social, moral and cultural norms. And we had a bit of a discussion about the media regulations in Australia. So I remember that we discussed how Australia is quite well regulated, but with more live TV and broadcasting, it can be a lot harder to regulate some of the things that are put to air. And also we really have to be aware of the types of things that Australians will broadcast. Our humour can sometimes be offensive to other cultures, and Australia is a very multicultural country, so certain things need to be regulated in order to, I suppose, make for an overall happy audience, and the way that they accept that media that's put to them. But then there also is the question of, should we be changing our values and our regulations just for the benefit of other cultures when they have chosen to reside in Australia? So that's always a big argument, I suppose, and something a bit controversial. And yeah, overall our conversation in class was very good, and we can say that Australia has good regulation in the fact that not too many things are really offensive, but nothing is really kept from Australians. Information is very kind of transparent, and that makes for, I suppose, a good democratic country. So yeah.